all of the vegetable. They have crevit, the violet one, and the yellow one. It's very nice. Oh. Yeah. This is a crevit. Violet, gambis, crevit. Yeah, cauliflower. This is cabbage, different color. Very nice. This is also labanos. Yan. Ito naman select. Yan. Hindi ko alam. Yan. Meron din silang pinya, pineapple, and potato. Yan. Kamote, iba-ibang klaseng kamote yan. May violet, yun ang violet. May tomato. Yeah, ang dami natin pinili yan. Violet yan, yun yung yellow. Yun ang squash, iba-ibang klaseng squash. Yan, tomato. Kung ano-ano pinamili.